All right, guys, I went into a salon today and I got my hair cut, and I told the lady she could cut it short. She cut it short. It's still growing on me. I don't know if I love it. Let me know what you think in the comments down below. Hey friends, welcome back to my sewing room. My name is Becca, and in today's video, we're going to take a look at the contents of the June 2020 Fat Quarter Shop Sew Sampler Box. This is a monthly quilting / sewing subscription box, and all of the details to sign up are in the description box below. If you're not already subscribed to my channel, would you please consider hitting the subscribe button down below? It costs nothing for you, but it means the world to me. When you subscribe to my channel, it lets me know that you're interested in more videos that I'm putting out, and it just encourages me to keep going. All right, enough chit chat. Let's dive into the Fat Quarter Shop Sew Sampler Box for June 2020. Here's the tape. You can see the box is still closed. We're going to grab our snips and just snippity snip. The theme for this month is handpicked for you. These cards are usually just designed on one side to tell you the theme of the box, but on the back side of it is a coupon code for Sew Sampler members for 30% off of the Christmas Figs and Witches Night Out book, which is from Fig Tree & Company. We have a little pamphlet that tells us all about the items that are in this month's box and their retail value. We're going to hold this kind of over here so we can refer to it as we're going through the contents for this box. Retailing at $6.98, we have a 45mm rotary blade from Fiskars. It is just a pack of one, I believe. Yep, it's just one. It says it works with your Fiskars rotary cutter, but it could work with any 45mm rotary cutter, Martelli, Olfa, Fiskars, whatever you've got. So here's a rotary blade. We have a sewing notion that is called Spot on the Dot 1-inch magnifying lens. And so the idea here is that this little beauty, when you pop it open, you can put this on a ruler and it magnifies the measurements on your ruler. So for example, if I wanted to see kind of that 7 1/8 inch mark right there, I could set this on here. You got to press it down to kind of get it to suction, but it'll kind of magnify those markings a little bit, make it a little bit easier to see. This item retails for $8.98. Ooh, we have a macaroon. But not a real macaroon. This is a macaroon notion. It is a storage container in the shape of a macaroon. It comes in pink, green, or blue. I got the green one. It's kind of got like a silicone-y type texture, and I can see, oops, that's how it works. I can kind of see how this just pops on and off, so it feels like it just snaps on. And then when you pop it open, you've got a little container where you can put something down inside of here. This is a really cute storage notion that retails for $2.98. And you'll be able to pick it up at Fat Quarter Shop, but Sew Sampler members got this ahead of everybody else. Each box, starting in April, ending in March for the Sew Sampler, has a Block of the Month program. And this month we have the card or the pattern for block number 3 for the Greatest Hits Sew Along that started in April of this year and will continue until March of next year. If you're curious what the block will look like, that's it in the upper corner of this card. If this is a Block of the Month program that you actually want to follow along with, you can. You don't have to be a Sew Sampler member. You can bring your own fabric or buy the fabric kit from Fat Quarter Shop. And you can buy each of these recipe cards for $4.98. Our pattern this month is for a quilt called Orange You Clad. Their patterns retail for $9.98, and they are a very good quality pattern. They're printed on nice paper. There's a nice, clean, easy-to-read font with full color illustrations throughout. There are 2 sizes that you can use to make this quilt pattern, and this is what it's going to look like. The throw version, which is what we'll have fabric for, will measure at 34.5 inches by 44.5 inches, and the bonus size is for a lap version that will measure at 60.5 inches by 62.5 inches. And of course, no quilting subscription box would be complete without the fabric. This month we have a Fat Quarter bundle from Fig Tree. It is from her All Hallows Eve line. Let's take a look at it here. We're going to pull open one of these ribbons so we can flip through. This is the first. We've got a nice green. We've got her signature orange with some white or cream colored flowers on them. We have this orange with a white damask. Is that how you say it? Damask? Damask? I don't know. Then we have this orange with these white chevrons. And then we've kind of got this take on like a houndstooth. And it's really funny because when I look at the fabric in person, this reads as orange to me with white stripes or houndstooth on it. But when I'm looking at it in the camera, it looks white with the orange houndstooth symbols. Let me know in the comments below, did this fabric look white with orange printing or orange with white printing? These 5 fat quarters retail for $14.98 at fatquartershop.com. Okay guys, that's my June 2020 box. I hope you enjoyed opening it with me. I really enjoyed going through all these items with you. I'm super excited about the pattern and the fabric. This looks like a quilt top that will be a lot of fun to make, and it looks like it might be pretty easy too, so I might actually give this a try. Give me a thumbs up if you like this video. Leave me a comment down below. Let me know what your favorite thing was. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button on your way out. I will see you guys all in my next video. Bye!